Hey y'all, I'm sorry to leave everyone hanging for the past couple of months. Well, I've been home, and I've been home several times, but I just keep forgetting to make a video of my dad's new vehicle. This is my dad's brand new 2018 GMC Canyon SLE. Purchased it on New Year's Eve, took it on an extended test drive on the 29th, legally in the family on New Year's Eve, and the XB is for sale at Capitol in Smyrna. Don't let the dealer sticker fool you. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. As y'all probably saw from the badges, there's no four-wheel drive badge on the side. This is rear-wheel drive and it has the 2.5 liter four-cylinder, but even though that's the most basic powertrain, this is probably the most loaded you can get a Canyon with the base powertrain. It's in its beautiful color called Marine Blue Metallic, and the dealer added on running boards as this was a dealer courtesy vehicle, so it had about 3,600 miles upon purchase. And it's been the only vehicle my dad's driven. It's gone to see me at school, it's gone to see my sister in Alabama, and a lot of miles have been put on it since. So my dad's also taken it to the vegetative waste, so that's why it's all dirty down here, and it spends its day in parking garages and days in our garage too. So let me go ahead and open it up. Only bad part is that it does have this old looking key, just the old GMC, but that's probably for the work truck trims, and has this cool looking key fob though. Looks like the new GMC push button fobs. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Got this nice wood right here. It's partial power, partial manual on the seat. Oh. This is the cool part about getting inside. Yep, otherwise this looks like most other new GM vehicles. This does have the lane keep assist that beeps at you, and it does have forward collision alert, which is that big black panel right there. So it's called the driver alert package. You know a car has the driver alert package by that button on the steering wheel. And it also has a convenience package, which gives a remote start, and which I forgot how to do, honestly. And it has an auto dimming rear view mirror, the window that slides in the back. A lot of features on this truck, and being a dealer demo is a fantastic price. Yep. 6,405 miles. You'll go.